Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here again at the online cotton fair this year. As we know, we have been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only for our business but also to our lives. But I believe we will cross over. And so first, please allow me to thank you all for your patience, understanding, and support during these difficult times. And we will do our best to provide professional and excellent business support to all of our customers. Thank you. Okay, let's start our today's show. Today I brought a collection of Willow products here for you, including Willow hampers, Willow basket, and Willow storage box. Okay, let's go through one by one. First, this is set of 4. I really love it. I use it by myself at my home. We have 2 small ones and 1 medium and 1 large. The large basket is for holding magazines, toys, or everything you want. And for the small one, you can put your makeups here. And put it on your desk. I put one in my office for holding pencils, pens, and erasers. I really love this set. Okay, let's check the size. The large one, 42, 32, and 16. The medium one, it measures 38, 28, and 14. This is the medium one. And the 2 small size, it's 22, 17, and 12. Okay, this is the 2 small baskets. I really recommend you to buy this set. It's really useful for your home. Okay, that's all for today. If you like any items of our products, please feel free to contact me. Our MOQ is only 300 pieces or sets per style. I hope to see you in my living room next video. Bye bye.